Hi, George Smith here, MarineMax Stuart. I'm in the showroom right now videoing the 25 SDX Bowrider Sea Ray 2019. It's a new model as of last year. It's been received quite well. As you can see, she's got plenty of room in the cockpit area. Gorgeous Simrad. The boat is kind of unique with one passageway running forward, so allows for a larger cabin and head area and plenty of seating up in the bow. This model has the bimini top, bow cover, cockpit cover. The lounger in the back can face either way, so when you're at anchor you can enjoy the view from the stern. And of course the driver's seat will reverse, as will the passenger seat. My name's George Smith. Please give me a call at 908-675-6746 if you'd like to have a closer look.